BSB Industry's Supply Center is a logistics and warehousing solution for the industrial sector. With 13,600 square meters of indoor space and an additional 10,000 square meters outdoors, we've got the capacity to handle, assemble, and package everything from tiny screws and bolts to large constructions and wind turbine components. Located in Hammelev in Southern Jutland, right off Highway Exit 68, our logistics center boasts prime accessibility. Its strategic location serves as a central hub for the Northern Europe's port network, as well as for transportation along the European highway system. In a partnership with BSB Industry, you're getting an all-in-one package. We consolidate everything from production and procurement of complementary products to assembly, warehousing, and delivery into a streamlined kit set solution delivered exactly where you need it. Our skilled team takes care in assembling your kit sets, complete with clearly marked item numbers. Coupled with quick response time and a speedy delivery, we make sure to contribute to smooth and efficient running operations in your business. High delivery performance is a cornerstone at BSB Industry's Supply Center. Our dedicated quality control team is constantly on the job, ensuring that the products you receive meet the quality you've come to expect, from the moment they enter our facility to the moment they're packed and shipped. But BSB Industry is more than just a supplier. With businesses like yours, we forge strategic and sustainable partnerships. Through our supply chain solutions, we work collaboratively to optimize the entire value chain, measured in consistent quality, reliable deliveries, and total cost effectiveness.